any numbers of time. How was your experience over the period of time? You were the first customer, and now you see a lot of customers using QDC. What's your experience?
So my experience has always been the same. QDC has given me liberty to move out of my place, which I always wanted to. I never wanted to sit at either the workshop or at store. Using the software give me that freedom to move wherever I want to and yet have a close vigilance on my business, or especially the feature that customer at risk. That is also very helpful for me to regain my business whatever the customers are left out for any reason.
Any capability you use software?
So one is customer at risk that I use. Accountancy is one thing because I run a retail store where I need to have a close vigilance on incoming and outgoing of the funds. And the third thing which I really rely on, the customers who are not, whose balance is still pending. So I make sure that accounts receivable and that's right. So these three things are majorly which I personally do.
So you transform from cash-rich economy to digital economy. So how is digital payments helping you?
Yeah, it is a great help because in previous time we used to handle a lot of cash. So now transforming from cash to digital thing is really helping me out. We don't have to take stress of handling the cash. That's the best thing.
How WhatsApp bot is contributing to your customer acquisition now?
Yeah, WhatsApp bot is, I think it is the most required thing of this time because we, in season time, when you get a lot of calls from your customer asking about the order, their pending balance, or what the garments are ready or not. So WhatsApp bot has really decreased those calls.
And of course you receive on daily basis.
So in season time there are more than 50 calls that we receive, and repeating the same thing. There, as I told you, their pending amount, what are the pieces, where is delivery going to happen, and all this stuff.
Any message to other fellow dry cleaners you've been associated with Dry Cleaning Association of India, National Association of India?
Yeah, what I'm seeing in the changing time is that the world is evolving, people are evolving, people are, depending more on technology as compared to what we used to do previously. So I think having a software or running your business digitally really helps you no matter what.
How likely you recommend QDC to everyone?
Or 10 on 10.
Thank you.